The new Discovery Sport. Contemporary design, ingenious versatility, combined with legendary Land Rover capability, make this one of the most desirable compact SUVs in the world. The exterior of the Discovery Sport has evolved, with refinements to the instantly recognizable Discovery design DNA, creating a striking visual impact. The front bumper and grille have been remodeled, with new headlight design featuring signature DRL and animated directional indicators, adding modernity and sophistication. Whilst the new rear features integrated exhausts and LED signature lights, to bring this SUV completely up to date with the current Land Rover family. The interior space has been ingeniously designed to offer incredible flexibility. The combination of clever, durable, premium materials combined with intuitive technology makes this SUV an obvious choice for the everyday modern family who demand more from life. Versatility is at the heart of the Discovery Sport. The interior offers a variety of seating configurations. Whether you need to seat 7 people or wish to utilize the full capacity of the load space, you are sure to be able to travel with exactly what you need. The new Discovery Sport has a range of state-of-the-art connected technologies available. The remote app allows you to communicate with your vehicle via your smartphone from wherever you are, from locking or unlocking the car, to locating your last parked location, and even setting the interior climate. At the center of this interior lies the sleek Touch Pro screen interface, controlled either by touch or voice activation, and a 12-inch high-resolution interactive driver display which can be tailored to your requirements. Discrete, intuitive storage solutions can be found throughout the interior. Wireless phone charging keeps your smartphone topped up, and a 4G Wi-Fi hotspot provides everyone with the connectivity to stream movies or browse social media. New to the range is the ClearSight interior rear-view mirror. This innovative technology uses a discreetly positioned camera to ensure you have a clear line of sight, even when the rear space is fully loaded. The state-of-the-art Meridian surround sound system immerses you in rich and luxurious sound with the fullness and clarity of a live performance. The hidden till lit capacitive steering wheel switches, interactive driver display, and new full-color head-up display which remains clear even in direct sunlight, ensure the driver has all the information they need immediately to hand. The Smart Settings feature recognizes you through a combination of your phone and key as you enter the vehicle, and automatically reconfigures the driving seat and can prompt your media choices to your preset personal preferences. Advanced Tow Assist uses the touchscreen and rotary dial to enable precision steering, helping take the stress out of reversing a trailer into position. The durable and waterproof activity key allows you to unlock and lock the vehicle whilst your keys are safely stowed inside. The optional Matrix LED headlights are not just striking to look at. The adaptive driving beam illuminates the road ahead with an impressive range. The system cleverly optimizes high beam use, blocking segments of the beam to help avoid dazzling any vehicles ahead without needing to dip the beam and lose light. The Terrain Response 2 system automatically selects the best driving modes to suit the terrain. This, combined with the legendary Land Rover all-wheel drive system, ensures the Discovery Sport provides outstanding off-road capability, whatever the terrain. And with a class-leading wading depth of 600 millimeters and onboard real-time depth information, nowhere is off-limits for the Discovery Sport. The clever off-road geometry ensures that poised, confident progress can be made, even in the most difficult terrain. Where your view is inhibited, the 360-degree surround camera uses clear sight ground view technology to ensure optimum visibility. This innovative system effectively lets you see through the bonnet, helping guide you safely through obstacles beneath the car. Hill descent control enables you to maintain a steady speed when negotiating challenging slopes, optimizing driver control. The Discovery Sport is fully equipped with a variety of on-road technology. The active driveline offers true torque vectoring, transferring torque between the rear wheels when cornering. This, combined with torque vectoring by braking, which monitors steering inputs, and dynamic stability control, ensures optimum grip, traction, and composure at all times. The intelligent suspension architecture, combined with the adaptive dynamic system, constantly monitors and adjusts to the road conditions, ensuring the perfect balance between comfort and control at all times. The Discovery Sport has up to 6 pre-configured driving modes to suit the terrain and your driving preferences. Dynamic mode delivers a more responsive, sportier drive. And with configurable dynamics, you have the ability to customize the driving character, such as throttle mapping, gear shift points, suspension, and steering. The Sport Shift Selector allows you to connect directly with the exhilarating driving experience, enhancing the sport feel even further. There is a vast choice of advanced all-wheel drive, lightweight and efficient engines, which come with the responsive 9-speed automatic transmission. Complementing several of these engines is MHEV, or mild hybrid technology. The system harvests energy from deceleration and redeploys it to assist the powertrain upon acceleration, making the vehicle cleaner and more fuel efficient. Ingenious versatility, contemporary design, combined with legendary Land Rover capability. The new Land Rover Discovery Sport.